Well, last week, the student learned about official letters, starting from the meaning, the function, and then the part of the letter. And also, the way how to write an official letter as a whole. Okay, hello, good morning, students.
Morning.
Okay, today Miss Mani want to teach Bahasa Indonesia about official letter.
After we understanding how to make an official letter, one of the project we will do is send a letter application to the Sari Roti Factory via email. Okay everyone, we have learned how to write official letter. Let's check together.
Finally, all of you will accept to visit the Sari Roti Factory based on the application letter that was submitted previously. Now, we will see the students' stories about this activity. Check it out!
Hello, my name is Martha. Today I'm going to explain my whole experience on my field trip. At first, we were learning about Surat Resmi. Miss Fanny told us how to make one. Miss Fanny told us to make one to get in the factory for the bread factory. Once we made it, we got accepted. When the day came, we all packed up and got ready to the bus. In the bus, we all played music and sing karaoke. After that, we went in the factory that was really big. At first, I thought we were just gonna sit there just writing stuff. But then we got to learn how to make and saw the process. After that, we got back and ate our lunches and had free time. After all of that, we went back to the bus and got home. While going home, we also sang our karaoke and sang some songs too. After that, we all got home and got picked up by our parents. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Michelle and I am from P6B. We went to Sari Roti at 30 August 2024. The first impressions were the usual, like I'm very excited, but when we went to the factory, I thought it would be a bit boring because we were just walking to a room. But then after we write a few things and notes about Sari Roti, we actually went to the factory gallery where you can see the whole factory working. We saw the oven, but the oven wasn't working yet because it's still 10 in the morning and they only start cooking their bread at 12 or 11. The overall, it's very fun and we learned a few life lessons. It was cool. That's all I could say. And thank you.
Hello, my name is Giat and today I want to share my experience at me going to Sari Roti. First of all, we need to write a Surat Resmi so we can go to Sari Roti. And at the day when we go to Sari Roti, it was so fun in the bus. We play games and sing songs. Then when we arrived at Sari Roti, I was amazed. It outside it looks small, but the inside looks big. And it was so fun. We looked at people making breads, and we also learned a lot about Sari Roti. And my experience is so fun at Sari Roti. Thank you.